Start a challenge. Noob to pro in this game. So let's try it now. No, no.
Galit ba yun? Saan tayo? Wow, nagbigay ka pa! Walang ano... Wala po akong sinasabi. Sinasay ko lang kayo. Para joy kasi to boy. Isang hampas ng katutak. Tingnan nyo to ha. Bang! O, isang pula man yan. Tapos yung isa to wala. Pito! O, 30 na lang. Aalis na o. Baka naman. Orasan ko nga to. 310 ngayon ha. Gano'ng kabilis bago tayo makakuha ng 13 more. So, 310 kanina ngayon ay 325 na. At ito, makakapag-kompleto ng ating 18. Kasi 20 ang kailangan natin ngayon. Teka lang, fortune pa to. 1, That's 8! Ilan kaya to? 64? 38 lang. 15 minutes sa grind. Naka 38 agad tayo. Ang sarap, di ba? Pero mas masarap yan kung may machine pa talaga. So, nakahanap ako ng isa bago tayo lumabas. Kaya total of 40 diamonds yung nakuha natin ngayon. Kunti lang sana. Or na-scam nung nakaraan. Bangsit you good? Uy, face na all shop mo. May ginawang kasalanan to ah. Kung si Street ay gagawa ng shop.
We have a group of cameramen here. Right here and shoot them. This should be a good one. No, just to make sure. I'll do more. Like this. Yes, like that. That's dumb idea, bro. Come on. Oh, yep. That's a dumb idea. Okay. Who the hell think of that idea, bro? I'm gonna die. I don't have a problem earlier now. I have. What a nice.
Ha! Hindi ko alam kung ano! Meron ba dito mo tindahan ng redstone? Eh, puro sandstone to? Eto kulay red boy, ang ganda sobra! Pero mukhang hindi yun eh. Saan ba talaga yung tindahan dito? Paano ko malalaman? Teka lang! Kung si Street ay gagawa, kilala ko yung tsura ng mga build dun eh. Eto malamang yung sa kanya. Walang duda. Oy, may red! Ibig sabihin, nandito yung redstone. 100%! Sabi ko sa inyo eh, tagal ko na kilala si Street. Alam kong kanya to. So, magkano to? 8 diamond? What? So kung tigi 8 ilan to? Divide natin? Ha? Wala ba tigi? Kailangan talaga 8 diamond na bibilin? Parang gusto ko 4 lang. Agoy! Siguro bilig ko na lang, ano ba? Ito. 18 diamond. Pakamahal naman yan! Scamasi! Pero sige, 18 daw eh. Eh, meron pa tayo natitirang 22. Saan ba nakakarating yung 22 kung ano pa ba pwede natin bilhin?
Come on.
Ano pa ba tinda? Dami pala pwede bilhin, no? Piston! Ito! Hopper! Magkano to? 4 diamonds, 1 stack. So, 1, 2, dalawin natin. So, 8 yung babayad ko ngayon. Nice. Ano pa ba? Kailangan ko ba nito? Ano kailangan ko nito? Ano ba to? 4 diamond, 1 stack. Sige. Ano parang shopping galore na ako dito ha. Sige, bilhin na rin natin yan. Mahirap pa ko to eh. No way! Meron dito sa likod? Talaga namang kumpleto! 6 diamond. Okay, goods to. Wala na akong peras. Ito na yun, sagad na. Pero mukhang nakuha naman natin yung mga kailangan natin. Yung iba dyan, madali na makuha. Okay, nakita nyo, naubos yung 40 diamonds ko. Para dun lang. Kita mo talaga gumagana yung shopping district namin ngayon. Ang ganda nito, solid. Ito yung gusto ko yung naubos yung diamond. Kasi dati, parang laging may extra kaming diamond. Ngayon, parang nag-ihikaw siya. Ang hirap makakuha. Kaya kailangan din natin magbenta ng mahal. Teka, wala pala ako shop, no? Ay, shop ko to, boy! Shop to! Na City Hall shop na napakakalat! Teka lang, butas pa pala to! Hindi ko pa nalagyan! Dahil babalikan ko yan. Magtitinda tayo kasi may bibili pala, no? Lagyan natin to ng slime at saka honey block. Ganun pala mga bentahan ngayon. Nasa 8 diamonds ang per stack. Magkano kaya akin? Mahirap pa ko yung honey block eh. Try muna natin lapagan dito. Ano lang to? Pansamantagal? Promise, babaguhin ko nito syempre. Paano ba yung maging presentable yung ano natin, lugar? Nyo, butas pa nga eh. Alay, kulang sa pondo. Teka nga, resta ka muna tayo. Wala talaga akong laman eh. Sana nga ba yung farm namin? Ang dami na kasi nakasulat. Honey kami street. Ay, comment down below pala o ano yung gusto nyo unahin kong gawin. Gusto nyo ba gawin ko muna yung storage farm ko? Kailangan natin ng mas maraming pera. Kasi nagdadalawang isip ako dun sa dalawa kung anong mas magandang gawin eh. Kasi ang kalat ng lugar ko. Pero kailangan ko naman ng pera. Hindi naman natin sila pwede pagsabayin. Harvest na muna tayo ng wow! Nakita ko yung may nalaglag agad. Ilang kayo makuha natin? Pili yung puno na to agad.
Crazy but she's
Yummy! No more? Di naman kasi ako nag-AFK eh. Ito pa yung uli namin ginawa. Sige na nga, mag-AFK ako dito for 15 minutes siguro. Tapos balikan natin, malamang ang dami na nito. O, tignan nyo naman yan. Sunod-sunod ang mga lumalabas sa slime. Solid eh, oh. Dapat yung lumalaban doon, pangalan, Slime the Miner. Nagimamine ng slime. 15 minutes na AFK lang yun. Tignan natin kung nakailan tayo doon. Dami siguro nito. Dami na din sa... Boy, hindi kasya to sa dala ko. Pero dali na rin natin. Ano ba yung pwede kong mga tanggalin? Ano ba ito mga to? Ba't ang dami kung ano-ano? Ang dami, sobra. Ay, wait. Pwede pa na natin tumaba konti. Kailangan lang natin ito gawing black na mismo. Slime block. 64 plus 64 plus 28. What? Ang dami rin pala dito sa may taas. O, ayan na. Hindi yan nabubulok. Sobrang fresh nitong dala ko. The best quality of slime ay sa akin mo lang matatagpuan. So, meron pa tayo dadalhin yung mga honey blocks naman. Ilan na ba yung blocks na nagawa ko? Konti lang yun eh. Ayun, nawawala pa nga. Guy! Nagkasaan ko ba lang yun? Okay, buti na dito lang. Akala ko na wala eh. Ang tanong ngayon dito, eh magkano? Hindi ko yan ibebenta ng slime block. Syempre, mas maganda, mas marami. So, slime lang dapat yan. Aba, dapat mahal din ang tinta natin. So, kunyari ang slime ball.
Mamaya na dyan.
Ano ba ang magandang presyo para dito?
Wala pa.
Teka nga. Ilan ba yung magagawa ng isang ganto? So, 7 slime block pala kaya nito gawin? Pwede na tong 8 diamonds, eh. 8 diamonds per 8 diamonds per stack. Fair price! Fair price! 8 diamonds per stack! Ang honey block, itong pinakamahirap. So, ilan ba ang bentahan natin dito? Dapat 16 pieces lang eh. Dapat nga 8 lang eh. Ano naman to? 4 diamonds! 4 diamonds. 4 diamonds per 8 pieces. 8 pieces. Yan! Ay, tama na yung presyo ko kasi ganyan lang yung presyo nila eh. Walang iskaman dito kasi tinda mo, price mo. Alam mo, sakto-sakto din ha. Kasi itong mga pagkain ko, tignan nyo raw. Kawawa naman ako. Kailangan na talaga natin ng lutuan. So, lagyan natin to ng item frame. Diamond per stack. Ano? Itang pangkabuhayan talaga to, no? Pangkabuhayan showcase. So, lagyan natin to lahat. So, dito naman is tiga-apat. Ang dami ko nilagay. Akala ko naman mapupuno ko hanggang doon. 2 chest lang pala. Alam ko na habang wala pa nabili, eh, buuin na natin to. Nakakaya naman, pagpasok nila dito, putas. Yay! Puro stair nga pala to. Ay, dapat pala di ko nalagyan to. Puro stair pala. Ah, dito yung nagkamali. So, nadagdagan lang naman natin yan. Ah! Ayun na, nasan ako na yung butas. Hey! Ba't ganyan yung tsura pagdating sa loob? Mapagit! Demo yung sadya yan. Ganyan talaga design mo yung abstract. Grabe talaga yung build na yun, oh. Kaya kinahata to eh. Tignan niyo yung tsura ng color gradient patawag doon. Tapos yung sa akin, basta lagay. Hello, sir! Grabe! What's up? Ba't ka napadalaw dito, sir?
Kasi, naghanap ako ng slime.
Slime?
Isak mo? Wait lang, sa'yo ba to?
Akin to! Ganda, di ba?
Ano ba business mo? Ano ba business mo?
Ito nga, sir, yung pinagkakabisihan ko kasi busy ako sa business ko eh. So, nagtitinda ako ng slime dito na napaka-fresh galing pa sa swamp. Napakalinis.
Seryoso ba? Uy, ano to? Slime ball?
Slime
Dami.
ball! Gagawin mo na lang slime block.
So, magkano ba to?
Murang-mura lang. Ito, basahin mo, sir, kung magkano yan, oh.
8 diamonds per stack!
Oh, hindi ka nalugi dyan. Ilan ang magagawa mo sa stock na yan? Ito pa, sir. Ay, yan ang pinakamagandang quality nito. Kasi wala kang iba makikita niyan dito. Ako lang nagtitinda niyan.
Asa made from ano ba yan? Made from ano yan?
Made in Suwapan.
Grabe mo, magiging ganun pala yung lugar. Ano discount dyan? Walang discount yung ano eh, buhay na mano.
Ayun na nga eh, buena mano ka. Walang discount ang buena mano. Ang buena mano, siya na nagdodoble pa.
Opo,
Oo, ganun yun eh.
parang baliktad ah. Hindi ba pwede ano to? Medyo bawasan natin yung diamonds.
Ay, di sir, di pwede.
Ay, ako, sige na nga. Bibili ko isang stack.
Isa lang? Tatlo, sir!
5, 6. Ano pa lang tatlo? Mahal na nga yan.
Yan, man. Ito, sir, ah.
And I think after this wave, we're on what's that? Wave 20, the boss wave. And we're here. So yeah, we don't need to be scared. Oh, did I miss something? Oh, there's this DJ's going out. No. 3, 6, 9, 15. Yep. there's the large toilet. Let me tell you, this way be so. Akala ko yun na yun. Hindi pa pala. Oh no, guys! Press the like and subscribe to help us. Did someone press it? Yo, someone pressed. Let's go. Oh my god, bro. You got to put more right here. 1, 2, 3. Ah, the boys' toilet. No. Wait. I think we can handle this. No. Okay. I will put my arm here. You shall face my power. 1, 2. He shall taste my power. He shall taste my power. And sell that. Sell this boy out. Sell that. Oh. I don't need to sell them now. There's just 6 of these guys and this is done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go! Oh, first win.
Kung may patok sa ulo naman ang makakapatay sa nagtangkap pumatay sa kanya at naipakita niya sa akin ang ulo ng
I think we can handle a thing. Wave 9. Alright, boys, we can summon 1 unit. No. Where is it? Summon? Okay, wow! At first wave, I get panic, so I saw a lot. And it's been a hard time on men. So right now we're having a good time. We are being chilling. But we need to play more. And I guess don't mind this thing. They are their chapter, their girl. She's crazy, but she's mine. Never lose my mind. Okay, so what now? I don't know what to do. Oh. Yo, bro, let me guess. If I grade this, it's max. Let's see. Yup, that's the worst unit.
Goods lang kasi nalagay naman natin lahat yung mga importanteng malagay. Pati naman malilito kung saan ko ipaglalagay yung mga items natin. So magdala tayo ng shulker, mali nga yung pinaglagyan ko eh. Dali na natin itong lahat.
Come with me and watch me get panic again. Well, I think you're asking why I'm playing in this camera HQ. Yeah, is I did some nightmare in here to get this camera woman, which is trash as garbage. Like so, I mean, yeah, he's so trash at this game. This is trash and not worth it. And trash next Sakura. I mean, what? Yo said that, man. I did not say that. Yep. So like that. 30k, yeah, and sell. This could did not do a lot of damage. Blum. Put one. Pangat ng lugar. Asan yung walang magandang lugar? 1, 2, 3. Max mo yan, max mo yan, max mo yan, max mo yan. Max mo yan, max mo yan. Max mo yan, max mo yan, max mo yan. Pag hindi pa sakto to, lalagyan na to. Max mo yan, max mo yan, ganyan. Max mo yan, max mo yan, max mo yan. Lapag mo to, max mo, wala na tayong pakay. That word, bro. No, don't tell me this. Oh, bro. I'm not gonna lose you. I'm not losing. Okay, Sakura. Word of Sakura, garbage. Do you worth? Prove me that you are not Sakura level, please. Sakura from Naruto, please tell me that you're not worth. You tell me that you are worth it. Tell me that you are not Sakura in that Naruto verse, please. Please. No. Yes! And we're here again. Just come. Yes! Win. Get the hell out of my squad, my man. You are trash. I mean, it's good, but trash. Come on. Another one. Let's go.
Mas dito natin gagawin yung machine ko sa may ilalim.
So, for everyone that's new on TTD, I suggest getting this guy. Yes, get this guy. Get this guy! Bro, I mean, I don't need to place a lot of unit. Just this guy. Like, Camera Buwan is like Sakura from Naruto. Trash. Garbage. But in Boruto, I think he gets strong. Yeah, I think he gets buff in that Naruto. But this guy, by the way, that Naruto and Boruto, nothing. I just want to say that. But yeah, that doesn't connect. So yeah, back to what I'm gonna say. This guy is so overpowerful. Pagdating na lang dito pa lang. Wala pa yan. Boom! Tunaw na ang HP. 5 of these there's
Na! Coral Reef! So,
this is how waste this guy. You know what? I don't need to place one. I think if we reach this squad, he's so dead. Like, look, bro, 18k. Just that. How about these 5 more boys? That there's just 3. I think 4. Yeah, 4 upgraded. And this is 5. Just imagine. Imagine. So, if this not made them kill, or this not kill, this was the, I don't know how, bro. Like, this is the OPS strat ever. Oh, here he goes. Bam. Pumasok ka na sa domain nila, bro. See, that's how OP it is. But she's my lose my mind. Tra-la-la-la-la. Brown shoe. I did not expect that. Bang, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go. Guys, do you want to come with me on my panic? I'm gonna panic here soon. I'm sure about that. No. Oh god, bro. Why did you let that guy skip? That's a bad guy. No. Come on, just upgrade this one. Kill. Okay, gosh. could you do this to us, bro? Well, after all, I guess. Come on, bro. Why? Why? You need to do this to me. You don't need to do this to me. Please. Look. No, not that. No. No. Don't look at my toilet counter, please. That's nothing. That's normal. That's normal, bro. That's normal, bros, please. That's normal. Ah. Who's panicking?
Kain natin ngayon.
Someone giving me. Oh. Thanks. Upgrades. Yes. Now I'm ready.
Kaya times 2!
Let's see. Kung kayang ubusin ng dalawang lang to. Na ito. 142 to, guys, ha? 142 toilets versus 2 of these. I'm getting What? 142 na ubos. Bet. To skip more. I think 200 is too many. Yup. It's too many, my man. Oh, have you seen a map with this too many things? Bro, like, you're gonna die. We're dead. Yep, that's GG. There you go. Hey guys, if you're gonna auto skip, stop I guess 50 because you're gonna get overwhelmed by these toilets, bro. So make sure to clean them first and then skip wave though. When it's down 18, 28, we'll skip wave again. And 20 is too many, but I will wait for 700 because guys think every time because get one more 100, so you could upgrade when you skip like this, so there's more beneficial, so you could clear a lot and you could auto skip. Macaroni. Grade 2. These two upgraded large camera should take 100 of these. Yep, we gotta clean this. Or clean arc. We have to clean. Cleanliness is next to the healthiness. So we gotta clean to stay healthy. At this point, we don't skip. We don't skip at this point, please. No skipping at this point. Because if you skip, you dead. I'm telling you, bro. Once you skip, you did. I'm not playing around now. Once you skip, you did here. So don't skip so you don't get there. Yep. Let's go. So this is how we went. 86 gosh. And all of this is large camera, please. Please make it. This is gonna be a what? Just here. But let's see how these toilets get removed from existence. Right, guys? Right? Please? I trusted you. Hey, yo bro, your soldiers. I trust your soldiers. Please, no call them. That's all. And there we go. It will be. Imagine if we have one mech bunny or two mech bunny with this cooldown 0.1. But hey, we need to clean this first. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Nah, we got this, right? So, yep. 200 toilets, no match against this 15. But if you are on hard mode and nightmare, I'm sure we'll do. Oh, bro, why did you not? Why did you stop there? Yep, we could auto now. So, do you guys wanna see how can we win on the boss? First, let's clean this boss. I will clean these toilets first. They're dirty. Is this the last parasite because they have more, bro? We don't. No. Hell. No, bro. Don't be like that, please. Depends on detail. No! 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 That's how we gonna do. Yep. Just that, and that's how we're gonna do. One of that. Just one of that. And we're done, bro. Like, what the heck? I guess we can't defeat. Bro, that explosion really made us yesterday. No, that explosion did dirty. No, that's it. And then there. Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna skip now. I will continue this later, but only 47. And as you can see, this squad is so good. But the problem is, once we reach 29, we've got to do something. So I'm gonna place this guy speaker. So I think 3 of them. So there's 11 seconds more. I just wish I could buy this or one of them. Oh, 499 for this. Serious. And there we go. Change. I think I need medic. So, oh, there. Give me medic and I'm gonna. Let's see. It's not that good, huh? DPS weapon. What na? Let's just beg this. I wish it is. Imagine this game was. Please. If this game really give us. Nah, that's we are winning. Yeah, I will give you this. This great trade. Yes. Very great trade, yes. We will try to go to the trading plaza. Okay? Okay, let's go. So, yep. Good night, boys. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.